This video will talk through number 9 on the round table problem set. You're asked to find the equation in standard form containing the points that are given. The points, the coordinates are all fractions. So remember, here's your standard form, where A, B, and C are integers, and A must be positive. So I'm given a pair of 2 points. So I'll let this be x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So I'm going to set up my slope formula. It's my numerator, and then my denominator. And I see that before I can do anything, I need to find a common denominator for both before I can combine on both top and bottom. I need a common denominator. So my numerator, I need to pick up a factor of 2, factor of 3, and let's see, my common denominator of the denominator will be 6. So I need a 3 and a 3. So in the next step, let me clean this up. I'm going to have 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6. And then my denominator is going to be negative 5 over 6 minus 9 over 6. Okay, just common denominator skills right there. Okay, cleaning up, 7 over 6 on top, and I have negative 14 over 6 in my denominator. So I now have a complex fraction, and I need to simplify my complex fraction. So it means I'm going to multiply by the denominator, invert and multiply. Negative 6 over negative 14, and I didn't simplify the 14 over 6 because I saw that the 6's would divide each other out, and I'm left with 7 over negative 14, which is negative 1/2. So coming up here, the slope is negative 1/2. Okay, now let's go to the next part of the problem. If I'm in standard form, the slope is negative a over b. If my slope is negative 1/2, then that means that a is 1 and b is 2. So when I have my initial setup, I can say x plus 2y equals c, substituting in the a and the b. And now my job is to figure out what c is, so I can take either ordered pair, and I'll just go with x sub 1, y sub 1. So if x is 3 over 2, y is negative 1/2. So I have 3 over 2, and let's see, that's going to be negative 1. And I'll move over here for more space. So that means that I have 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2 equals c, therefore 1/2 is c. So I know that a is 1, b is 2, and c is 1/2. So let me erase, give myself some more space so that I can clean this up and finally give the answer. So I have 1x plus 2y equaling positive 1/2. A, b, and c must be integers, so that means that I'm going to take the entire equation and bracket it and multiply by 2 over 1. So I have 2x plus 4y equaling positive 1. That would be the equation, the linear equation in standard form that contains the fractional points that you were given in problem number 9.